You searched how to buy shares of Abundia Global Impact Group, Inc. Abundia Global Impact Group, Inc. operates in sustainable agriculture and agri-tech, and it trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker AGIG. This is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. To buy AGIG, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can purchase shares. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker AGIG. Locate the listing that matches Abundia Global Impact Group, Inc. to ensure you have the correct stock. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the NASDAQ listing and the AGIG ticker to be sure this is the right asset. To place an order, select Buy or Invest. Enter the amount you want to spend. Review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next available session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming. Once executed, your AGIG position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is in the video description.